Nobody could have expected that something as simple as a homemade necklace could hold such an incredible secret. Something that would change the life of the person wearing it forever. When Terry crafted the necklace and gave it to his girlfriend Anna, he knew exactly what the consequences would be if she were to find out what was inside. So he had to keep it a secret for as long as possible. When Anna finally found out what was hidden in the necklace she had been wearing for so long, the relationship between the pair would never be the same again. For a second, Anna was stumped. Why did Terry want the necklace back? By now she had been wearing it for about a year and got really attached to it. But Terry told her that she had to trust him, and with a little hesitation she handed it over. Anna thought that Terry maybe wanted to clean it or make sure she didn't lose it on the rest of their trip. But then he put both his hands on the pendant and broke it open. Anna let out a scream in disbelief and was about to get very angry. How could he do that? But before Anna could fully react to what just happened, she saw what had been hidden inside the ring, and suddenly her anger faded away and tears started to well up in her eyes. But what was in the necklace? And why did it mean so much to Anna? To understand this, a bit of backstory is required. Before we start, smash the like button and make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any new stories. Anna and Terry are a lovely couple who live in Australia and have been dating for 1 year now. They started dating after being friends for almost 4 years. But their romantic connection didn't seem destined from the start. Not at all, actually. Anna and Terry met when they were still fairly young. They had met in a club on a night out. Anna didn't think much of Terry at first. While he was already fairly interested in her, Anna had more eyes for one of Terry's friends, who had joined them one night. In the time that Anna was hitting it off with Terry's friends, she and Terry also started hanging out quite a bit as a result. They saw each other often and really started building up a clique. But this clique was not romantic whatsoever yet, and there was a good reason for this. Even though she and Terry hung out often, she didn't know much about him. He was always very mysterious and kept his cards close to his chest. Anna would often ask him questions about his past, only to be met with very vague answers, which didn't reveal much. While the relationship between Anna and Terry's friend didn't last, the friendship between her and Terry did. And over a long period of time, the friendship seemed to develop into a relationship. Much to the displeasure of Anna's parents and friends, they didn't trust Terry. He always had something about him that made them think he was hiding something. And while these suspicions were always in the back of Anna's mind, she couldn't help but get more and more romantic feelings for her mysterious friend. After 4 years of friendship, Anna and Terry officially started dating. While Anna's friends and family were very skeptical at first, they couldn't help but admit that the relationship quickly seemed to blossom into something beautiful. But the doubt about Terry never completely faded. Terry also felt the eyes of the doubters on him at all times during his relationship with Anna. He knew that in order to get what he wanted from Anna, he would have to work in complete secrecy. But luckily, he already had a plan figured out. After a lot of deliberation, he knew what the perfect time would be to undertake action. His and Anna's 1-year anniversary was coming up, and this was going to be the moment Terry would make his move. Now he just had some preparation to do. Terry was going to give his girlfriend Anna a very special gift for their first-year anniversary. He was going to make something himself. Even though he wasn't particularly handy, he still wanted to give it a shot, because he knew that what he wanted to give her could not be bought in a store. Terry decided to make Anna a necklace. It took him a lot of work and time, but he succeeded in making the main part of the gift himself. After completing the necklace to his satisfaction, he purchased the chain for the necklace and combined it all together. He made the necklace from Tasmanian wood. A high-quality ornamental timber is used for making cabinets and furniture, turning and paneling, and small objects. The wood is hard and close-grained with deep, dark color and satiny luster. But the wooden pendant would hold more than meets the eye. On the day of their anniversary, Terry took Anna out to dinner, where he was going to reveal his big surprise. After finishing the dinner, Terry finally revealed his surprise to Anna. He took out his handmade necklace and gave it to her. His hands were almost shaking as he took the box out of his coat pocket. Anna's reaction to the gift was far from what Terry expected. Not only did Anna like his gift, but she absolutely adored it. It was indeed a beautiful necklace, and what she found most important about it, Terry made it himself. Anna was on cloud 9 after receiving the necklace. Her reaction to the gift made Terry very relieved. Little did she know what was hidden inside the necklace the entire time. Terry had always been worried that his secret would eventually come out. If his girlfriend ever discovered what was hidden inside the necklace, he would be in a lot of trouble, especially if she found it before he intended to reveal it to her. While he had of course hoped Anna would like the necklace, he never expected her to be so fond of it that she would wear it always and anywhere. Because Anna loved the necklace so much, she showed it to all of her friends. This made Terry even more scared that she would find out the secret. If it would just hang around her neck, there would have been no problem. but the more people would grab it or hold it, the higher the risk of the necklace revealing its contents would be. Anna showed the necklace to nearly everyone she spoke to, including friends who no longer lived in Australia. Because she wore it constantly, it often came up naturally during video call. One of these friends was Sophia, who had moved to Scotland several years earlier. The two had been best friends for a long time and still spoke regularly, missing each other deeply. Up to that point, everyone had reacted positively to the necklace. Friends complimented the thought behind the gift and praised the craftsmanship, especially since Terry had no prior experience making jewelry. But Sophia reacted differently. She had met Terry briefly before leaving Australia, long enough to form a strong and lasting opinion. She never trusted him, and that distrust immediately extended to the necklace. Sophia described it as strange and unsettling, saying it reminded her of something she couldn't quite identify. Anna brushed off the comment at first, assuming Sophia's judgment was influenced by her long-standing dislike of Terry. Still, the warning lingered. Months passed, and to Terry's relief, Anna remained unaware of what the necklace truly contained. Most of her friends had already seen it, which meant fewer people handling it and less risk of discovery. But Terry noticed something else. Anna began wearing the necklace less often. She explained that it didn't always match her outfits and that she wanted to change her style occasionally. In reality, her decision had little to do with fashion. Sophia's doubts continued to trouble her, and wearing the necklace less became a quiet test. Anna wanted to see how Terry would react. At first, he didn't seem bothered, but as days passed without the necklace, his concern grew. He frequently asked where it was, whether she had misplaced it, and warned her not to lose it. His fixation unsettled Anna. She understood that the necklace was handmade and meaningful, but she had never seen him so attached to an object before. Something felt off, though she tried to ignore it. Eventually, the couple decided to take a long-awaited trip together. Money had kept them from traveling for some time, so they wanted this vacation to be special. Anna's fear of flying shaped their plans. Having grown up in Australia, she was used to finding beautiful destinations without leaving the country. Terry had always wanted to travel further but had respected her limits. They settled on a bus trip across Australia, turning it into a road-style journey through places they had never visited or barely explored. The trip was a success. They shared unforgettable moments, and their relationship grew stronger. Yet Terry's secret weighed heavily on him. No matter how happy they were, the anxiety never left. He knew he couldn't hide the truth forever, but he struggled to find the right moment. A year after that trip, they wanted more. This time, Anna agreed to consider flying. She wanted to visit one of her friends abroad, hoping it would help her overcome her fear. Terry supported the idea, and together they searched for a destination that met all their wishes. Scotland stood out immediately. Terry had never been to Great Britain, and Anna would finally reunite with Sophia. For Terry, it also became something else entirely. Scotland would be where he revealed his secret. Terry decided that Scotland would be the perfect place to finally reveal his big secret to Anna. He had been pushing the occasion forward for a long while now, but he knew that there would not be a perfect moment for it for a long while probably. But there was an obstacle in the way. By this stage, Anna had almost completely stopped wearing the necklace. Terry had also stopped mentioning it, worried that drawing attention to it would make Anna suspicious. That was the last thing he wanted. But if he planned to reveal the secret in Scotland, Anna would need to bring the necklace with her and wear it. Terry decided to wait until the last possible moment to mention it, hoping she wouldn't have time to object. While packing for their trip, Anna was cheerful and excited. Terry took the opportunity to pull the necklace from the drawer and reminded her not to forget it. Anna hesitated. She admitted she didn't really want to take it, explaining that she probably wouldn't wear it much and was afraid of losing it abroad. After some back and forth, Anna gave in and placed the necklace in her carry-on bag. The next day, on their way to the airport, Anna surprised Terry by wearing the necklace again. She felt she had been overthinking things and wanted to show that she still appreciated the gift. While this reassured her, it made Terry uneasy. His anxiety peaked at airport security. Knowing how strict the checks could be, he feared the necklace might be examined separately. If that happened, everything would come out. Fortunately, it passed through security without incident. Terry was relieved and ready to enjoy their trip. A few days into their vacation in Scotland, Terry decided the time had finally come to reveal the secret. He waited for the right moment, but things didn't go exactly as planned. Nearly 2 years had passed since he first gave Anna the necklace. Now that she was wearing it constantly again, finding an opportunity to act became increasingly difficult. Eventually, Terry decided their planned visit to the caves in northern Scotland was the moment he had been waiting for. The caves were a special destination for both of them. They had talked about visiting them ever since deciding on Scotland, and it was one of the most anticipated parts of the trip. Despite knowing how risky his plan was, Terry felt he couldn't delay any longer. On the way to the caves, Terry was consumed by nerves. He knew what he was about to do could change everything. He hoped his plan would work, unaware that what was about to happen would exceed even his own expectations. When they arrived, Terry finally asked Anna to remove the necklace. Confused but trusting, she handed it to him. Without hesitation, Terry used his pocket knife to break the necklace open. At first, Anna was shocked and angry. She couldn't believe he would destroy something she cherished. But her reaction changed instantly when she saw what had been hidden inside, an engagement ring. As realization set in, Terry dropped to one knee. Anna was stunned, then overwhelmed with joy. All this time, she had been wearing an engagement ring around her neck without knowing it. She said yes immediately. Later, Anna jokingly realized just how close she had come to losing it, scolding Terry for the risk he had taken. But Terry had trusted her, and she had kept the necklace safe for 2 years. After the proposal, it was time to tell their families. Anna's parents were thrilled, having always liked Terry. The engagement was a complete surprise, and Anna later described it as perfect. She said she felt like the luckiest woman in the world, and their engagement and eventual marriage turned out to be everything she had hoped for and more.